Let's see your dumb doggies do that one.
Catch it on your nose, Brittany. Good girl. Alright, let's try a harder trick now. Behind the back and blind. Good job, Britt. Alright, once again, back behind the back and blind. Yeah, I peeked a little bit. Good job, though, Brittany.
Watch this. Hey, wait a minute. It says nothing in my contract about this crazy stunt. Booyah! Let's see your dumb doggies do that one. Uh-huh. That's why I'm the star, who wears a super cape. Uh-huh. It ain't your doggy. Uh-uh. Wow! Did you get that? Can we watch it in slow motion? It had some cool sound effects. What a dumbass. You just got Super Brittany, our version of Rick Rolled.